Professional synth plugins. Okay guys, I know market is flooded with hundred of VST synth plugins and it's really hard to pick one for the production. So which one is really professional? Guys, there are various things which one should consider before picking one. Number 1. Kind of sound synth is capable of producing. Is it a flexible synth? Number 2. Quality factor. Is the synth capable of producing highest quality sound? Because you need a good quality sound during music production. Number 3. CPU usage. Check for how much CPU resource this synth consume. Lower CPU usage is better, but producing highest quality sound require more CPU usage. So CPU usage versus quality. Number 4. Always check for the available number of preset banks are available on the market for that particular synth. As if you are not into sound designing, then these preset banks will save lots of time and you will be more focused on your music production. Okay guys, let's check out some of the professional synth plugins which are available in the market. These plugins are my personal choice as I have been working along with them for a long time. And I have selected these synths for my track production. They are rich in quality, very user friendly, and above all, they fulfill my need during music production. So let's check them out. Sylenth 1. No doubt this is one of the world's most popular synth plugin available in the market today. Capable of producing wide variety of sounds and very low on CPU. Preset banks are easily available, wide range. That is why which makes it very popular among music producers. Native Instrument Massive. This synth is a CPU sucker as it produces wide variety of sound which are very high in quality. Native Instrument have designed this synth keeping in mind for the highest quality possible. Preset and banks are widely available and is also popular among music producers. Reveal Sound Spire. This synth produces far more crispier sound than Native Instrument Massive. And no doubt, this too sucks on CPU resource more. Preset and banks are widely available for this synth and is very popular among music producers due to its sound quality and easy of use. Expert Record Serum. If you guys want to go for highest quality sound, the synth which is capable of producing, then this is the one. No doubt this sucks on much more CPU resource than others. This synth is capable of producing sound just like any hardware synth. Preset banks are not widely available as compared to others. But producers uses this synth for its quality. Okay guys, these four synths are my favorite ones and they are my primary weapons for music production. I use them in a daily basis in almost every project. Apart from these four, I also use few other synths as my primary weapon. And they are VFX Nexus, Spectrasonic Omnisphere and Native Instrument Contact. These are sample-based VST synths and I quite often use them on my different projects. All three are very rich in sound quality, but they are memory suckers. They took on lots of memory space as all are sample-based synth. But what they are capable of is nothing other like them in the market. Okay, the big four. Guys, these four plugins, I only use it for demanding projects. No doubt, they are also my primary weapons. And as compared to others, except Serum, these four of them are killers. Very high sound quality and production ready sound, just like Serum. So whenever some tonal quality is preferred, I end up using them. These four are highly recommended if your production setup is very high in processing and you have got a large amount of RAM installed. These four are must-have plugins, very high in quality and production ready sound. Okay guys, moving on ahead. And all these are my secondary synth plugins. I use them as a supporting plugin with my primary plugins while layering sound. I also use them for their different sound characteristics. Okay guys, moving on ahead are my choice for various drum and percussive VST plugins. These are my personal choice as I have found them very productive during music production. Access Virus TI Desktop. Guys, this is one of the best synth that I have came across. This synth is hardware based with a flexibility to integrate in your DAW software as a VST plugin. Very powerful synth for any EDM producer and a large database of preset banks. A must-have synth for any EDM producer.